Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to be using a Cricut first of all, and I'm going to show you how to put together this. Everything here I found it on my Cricut images. So this is pretty easy, but if you're a beginner just like I am and I don't have much experience in like creating something like that, I just go to the images that I can get a hold of it. I just go to images that I can find and put together. So what I did, I went to my Cricut and I went 4th of July and then I found them here. So I used this one. So let's grab it. And I also use this one. Here she is. So we're going to insert them. So here they are. Let's go ahead and separate them. So I think this one is not the one I need. So I'm going to cut it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to work with this one. Just to give you the idea. So this is the one that I'm going to use to make it like this. So pretty much what I did, and I know it takes a little bit of time, but for me, that's something that I can do easily. I went into shapes and I grabbed different shapes that will fit, like to erase the things that I didn't need. Like for example, right there, I'm gonna erase that. So what I did is I grabbed it together and I went on this corner and I press slice. There must be a different way to do it, but you know, this is the way that I found easy for me. Slice, and I think we're done. We are done, baby. Here we go. So that's the 4th. I'm going to make it smaller. This is the one that I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to do the text to put of July. And you're going to look for the font that you think you like here. Okay, so I'm going to make her smaller. Make everything smaller. Like that. I think I like that. Now you're going to grab everything and you're going to weld it. Okay, because I'm going to use it for a in the next video I'm going to show you. I'm going to make it in white because I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be using adhesive to print it, and adhesive prints mirror. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you like it. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and until next time, thank you.